Welcome to class 3, subject social studies, means of transport lesson. This is part 2, continuation of the lesson. Okay, as you all know that there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. So already we have done with the land transport. Now we will start with water transport. So vehicles such as ships, boats, steamers, tankers and yachts are means of water transport. That means they run on the water. Passenger ships and cruise ships take people over long distances in water bodies. Okay. Now there are two types of ships here. Passenger ship which carry the passenger and the cruise. Okay. So passenger ships and cruise ships take people over long distances in water bodies. Cargo ships are used for transporting heavy goods. So cargo ships carry the goods with it, and passenger and cruise ships carry people with it for long distances. Ships are loaded and unloaded at ports. Okay, like we have trains which stop in the railway station. Yeah, they get parked in the railway station, or people come down and enter inside. They board it in railway station. In the same way, in water transport, ships are loaded and unloaded in a place which is called as ports. What is it called? Ports. Okay. Next we will go to air transport. Vehicles such as aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. Traveling by air is the fastest but the most expensive means of transport. Okay. So trains are much cheaper than air transport, and even road transport is also cheaper than air transport. But air transport you can reach to far off places within less time. Okay, but it is more expensive compared to other types of transports. We use aeroplanes to travel to other cities and countries. So if you want to go within a country, like from Delhi to Mumbai, you can take aeroplane. Okay. If you want to go to far off places, like from one country to another country, also you can take aeroplanes. Okay. The places where aeroplanes land and take off is called as an airport. Okay. What is it called? Airport. So aeroplanes park in airport, they land on the airport, and when they have to take off also they use the airport. Goods and letters can also be sent by air transport to places that are far, but they are much expensive. Helicopters are used in mountainous regions. They are used to send food, clothes and other items during events such as floods. Okay, so during floods or earthquake or any disaster where other means of transport cannot be reached, like if there is flood in one area, the land is filled with water, so land transport cannot be used, like buses or trains cannot be used. So they will use the helicopters, because they can go and land anywhere on the terrace, or on, it can keep flying in the air. Yeah, and they can drop in the food to the affected areas. So during natural calamities, they use which kind of transport? Air transport, that is helicopter. Okay. So we have completed this lesson now. Complete exercise A, B, C in textbook and exercise D in your classwork. Thank you.